Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States, Chapter 16, Shloka number 5. The divine nature is deemed for liberation, the demonical for bondage. Grieve not, O Pandava, you are born with divine qualities.
Chapter 16, Shloka 5. Daivi sambatvi mokshaya nibandhaya surimata ma shucha sampadam deivim abhijatosi pandava.
Chapter 16, Shloka 5. The effects of two natures, the divinely good and the diabolically fallen, are explained. On hearing the qualities of the good and the bad, a seeker may wonder to which category he belongs. Lord Krishna assures Arjuna that he belongs to the divinely good category because of his interest in studying the Gita up to this chapter. Both the ethical beauties and the non-ethical ugliness are not for judging others. Ethical virtues are the intelligent ways of reviving man's exhausted energies and a fatigued spirit to live. Properly understood, they can unshackle the personality from self-made entanglements. As a contrast to the above, the negative tendencies cultivated by the diabolically fallen are self-made shackles that chain a man to the realms of confusions and sorrows, forbidding him to grow into the ampler fields of his own inner possibility. Krishna again warns Arjuna not to get sentimental and desperate or to exhaust himself in self-pity or self-condemnation, as it is a malady and one suffering from it can never discover in himself the energizing cheer, the confidence and the steady will which are required for an intelligent self-diagnosis and an effective cure. To a seeker, living the ethical values is in itself a kind of treatment to cure him of some of his personality diseases. The good, contaminated by weakness and ignorance, is the evil, and the evil, when cured of ignorance itself, becomes the good. Like a looking glass covered with dust cannot reflect light and mirror properly the objects in front of it. This is not because the glass has lost its capacity to reflect, but because it's veiled by dust. To wipe it clean is to bring forth from it more clarity and light for the reflection. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.